and oh my god, we have a new laptop. Like, OMG, I don't know, I have goosebumps. Yeah, I have goosebumps. I don't know why, but and this is so slim. Shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well, and today's vlog is going to be super exciting because today we are going to buy a new laptop for us. Oh my god, I'm super excited because this is the day I have been waiting for a long period of time, and today finally it's time to go buy a new laptop for us. So yeah, I'm super happy and I hope you guys will be also happy. You guys will be also excited. So without wasting any further time, let's just go and just bring our laptop home. So yeah, let's go there.
Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. But somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cards held close to my chest. Takes me time to relax, I confess. But somehow I gave it all to you. I complicate every situation, build up a storm with anxiety.
Hey guys, so yeah, as you know, the laptop that I was using was this 2012 MacBook Pro. This was really old and now it was giving a lot of issues. If you have seen the earlier vlog, you guys know the issues that my laptop was giving, and now I think that I tried everything, but now it's just not starting. It's not booting up. I tried everything. I tried to have an external drive. I just, kind of had this attached to the laptop, but yeah, at the end it was just not working. So I think it's time to say goodbye to this laptop, and finally we have something here. So wait a second. So as you can see here, we have a new laptop. We have a new MacBook. As you guys can see, this is the MacBook Air, and oh my god, we have a new laptop. Like that was the laptop that I bought second hand almost a year, I guess 7 to 8 months ago. That was very old MacBook, but at that time I did not had money to buy a new one because I genuinely could not afford that, and still it is a bit pricey. But now I think that I am ready to take YouTube seriously. I'm ready to invest in this, and finally, this is something that I can say I have bought on my own, on my money. So this is the feeling that I have now. I have bought something because of the hard work that I did. This is the result, guys. This is the result for that, and I can just say I'm so damn happy. And I know you guys also must be happy, just seeing me grow, seeing us grow, and I don't know, I'm really emotional because this is the very first thing that I have bought and it just makes me happy. Oh my god. Shit, yeah. This looks so good. This looks so good. As you guys can see, this is obviously I cannot afford a MacBook Pro, but definitely we can try and work with the MacBook Air, and just let's just open it. OMG. I don't know. I have goosebumps. Yeah, I have goosebumps. I don't know why, but I definitely do. Let's just open this baby. Oh, the color, yeah, the color, guys, the color. Just see this. Just see this. Yeah, ishapat. And this is so slim. Shit. Like the one that I was using, that was so heavy, and this is so light, so light. Uh, Now the main part. This is falling. Wait a second. Now the main part. Oh, this is so satisfying. Yeah, I don't know, I think it is raining, so if you guys can hear background noise, I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry for it. Let me just clear the air out. This is the MacBook Air of 2020 with M1 chip, and now I'm just going to open it. Let's see. I am emotional. Yeah, I'm emotional. I don't know. So I'll just set this up because yeah, I need to do few things that we need to do in the beginning. I need to set this up. I'll just set it up and I'll be back in few minutes.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby.
By the time it is setting up, I will just show you the accessories that I got with this. Just wait a second. So here I have the box. Inside this I got this charging cable, that is C to C cable, and apart from that I got an adapter. As you guys can see, this is the adapter. I'm so grateful Apple decided to give this adapter, because in iPhones, as you guys know, now they have not giving the brick, the charging brick, but now fortunately we have that with this MacBook, and I'm so happy. Now it's setting up, and I'll see you guys, I guess, after 15 minutes, because I need to spend time with this. Just set it up, and after that I'll show you guys the actual look of this.
Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. But somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cocktail close.
So now, as we have our laptop back again, this is a great time to talk about online resources for our preparation. A lot of you guys keep asking me for free resources that you guys can use for our preparation. So today I have a website for you guys. Today I want to talk about Olive Board. So what basically Olive Board is, that it is the largest platform for preparation of government exams and also for UPSC EPFO exam. This is basically designed mainly and specially for EPFO exams, and if you guys are interested in that exam, this is a great platform for you guys. This platform provides you with courses for banking exams and also for SSC exams, engineering exams, and other different kinds of government exams. You can see now on your screen, these are all the categories that they have. These are all the courses, subjects for the courses that they have. I'm also interested in MBA, so I am also been taking few courses here for MBA, because yeah, MBA interests are also pretty damn difficult. Apart from this, they also have UPPSC and Rajasthan exams, Uttarakhand exams, Punjab exams, Haryana, Bihar, and also for Madhya Pradesh. So today the main thing that I want to share from this website is their mock test for UPSC EPFO exam. If you guys come down here in test now, if you scroll down here to UPSC EPFO exam, if you just click here, you can find 10 free mock tests for UPFO exam, and this is a great thing. And apart from this, you will also get notes for EPFO exam, as you guys can see here. Apart from that, you can also search for other categories, or if you are interested in other exams. And if you guys go here in EPFO test 1, you will get a instruction manual first. If you guys can see here, the total questions in one mock test is 120. That is 120 questions, and the maximum score that you can do is 100 marks. There is also negative marking, so you guys better have a look at it. And for 120 questions, you have 2 hours to solve them. Why not give it a try? I started the very first mock test yesterday, and yeah, I just paused the exam in between because I had to talk to you guys about this. I thought maybe I would continue that today. And if I just resume the exam from here now, the very first part in this exam is English, and English is the subject that I have for my MPSC also, that is my state PSC. So I thought this is really helpful for me, so I should definitely give it a try. If you guys also think that this is helpful for you guys, you should definitely give it a try. I would put the link for their website, the mock test, and also for the application. They also have an application. You can download that application in your mobile, and I think that should be great. You should definitely give it a try. So yeah, now I have a cheeky little task for you guys. If you are interested in UPSC EPFO exam now, just go down in the description box below, click on the link in there, go to their website, and after going to the website now, give a free mock test. And once you're done with the mock test, once you get the result for the mock test now, just comment down below your score if you guys are comfortable with that. Let's see who scores the highest. And yeah, even after this now, you can also share your reviews about the test. If you think the questions are helpful, if the website was helpful, I would be really happy if you guys would contribute in this. So yeah, this is a cheeky little task, so it would also be helpful for others, those who are watching this video. So yeah, if you are interested, you can definitely do this, and let me know in the comment section below. So yes guys, I have been using the laptop from the past 2 hours, and oh my god, the performance is incredible. And I'm comparing this laptop to the old 2012 model that I have, and yeah, this is such a beast. This is a beast, man. Because yeah, the editing on my last laptop was so low, the battery of the last laptop was really low, and this has great battery life. The very first thing is this. Another thing is that it has a great display, and apart from that, it also is very high in RAM, and that is much higher than the old laptop that I have. So the editing on this would be really good. And now I cannot afford the MacBook Pro, but we can afford the MacBook Air, and we are going to work with this, and I am so happy. I never thought I would be using a MacBook, and now I own one, so it feels good. And this is everything is possible just because of you guys, because you guys chose to support me, and I am so grateful for that. I'm so grateful to have such a great family. And thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much for all the support. And I just want to say, keep supporting, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what you are doing, yeah? Come on, just click that subscribe button and join the family.
I called my mom. No, nothing's wrong. I just wanna talk. To hear her voice and feel so small, like when I was young.
So yes guys, now we are back on the desk, and I just made this very nice iced coffee, as you guys can see here. And now I'm going to sit here and do a very productive 4-hour session. In the first 2 hours, I'm going to go through previous year's question paper, because now we have our laptop back, and due to that I can just go through my online notes. I can just go to the analysis that I have made till now, because all the paper analysis is just on my laptop. I don't have anything like physical notes of that, so that's the plus point. We have our laptop back, so I can do that. And I'm doing this after 1 week, so really I'm missing this, so I'm just going to do that. And let's see in the next 2 hours what I'm going to do. So I'll see you guys after 2 hours.
I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe, carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. And I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works overtime, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I, on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new.
So yes guys, I think this was it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you think about the video. I'll be really happy to know all your responses. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.